Welcome to Life Matters Simplified, your daily dose of wisdom. In today's episode, we're tackling a topic that affects almost everyone: how social media affects your relationships and how to fix it. We live in a world where likes, shares, and DMs have replaced deep conversations. But is social media bringing us closer, or is it silently driving a wedge between us? Let's break it down and, more importantly, find ways to fix it. Stick around, and let's simplify life together. Segment 1. The double-edged sword of social media. Let's start with a simple question. When was the last time you had a meaningful face-to-face conversation without checking your phone? If it's been a while, don't worry, you're not alone. Social media has revolutionized how we connect. It allows us to stay in touch with loved ones, share experiences, and even meet new people across the globe. But here's the catch. While social media connects us virtually, it often disconnects us emotionally. Let's look at some common ways social media impacts our relationships. Segment 2. The 5 ways social media impacts your relationships. 1. The always online illusion. Have you ever felt like you're connected to everyone, yet no one really sees you? Social media creates an illusion of constant connection. You know what your friends ate for breakfast, where they traveled, and even their political opinions. But does that mean you truly know how they're feeling? Reality check. Digital interaction is not a substitute for real connection. Fix it. Set a rule. For every online interaction, have a real-life one. A call, a coffee meetup, or even a heartfelt voice note. Instead of just liking a post, ask a deeper question. Hey, I saw your vacation pictures. What was your favorite moment? 2. The comparison trap. Wow. Their relationship looks perfect. She's always traveling. He has the best life. Ever caught yourself thinking this while scrolling? Social media is a highlight reel. People show their best moments, not their struggles. Reality check. Comparison is the thief of joy. When you compare your reality to someone's curated feed, you start feeling inadequate. Fix it. Remind yourself, what you see isn't the full picture. Limit exposure. If certain accounts make you feel bad, unfollow or mute them. Practice gratitude. Instead of focusing on what others have, list 3 things you appreciate about your own life every day. 3. Digital overload equals emotional distance. Imagine this. You're on a dinner date, but instead of enjoying the moment, you're both on your phones. Sound familiar? Reality check. Constant screen time reduces face-to-face emotional bonding. Fix it. The phone-free zone rule. Make meal times, bedtime, and special moments 100% phone-free. Set time limits. Use app timers to reduce mindless scrolling. Make eye contact. It sounds simple, but truly looking at someone while talking builds deeper connections. 4. The DM dilemma and digital boundaries. Social media makes it easier to reconnect with old friends, or even old flames. But here's where things get tricky. Ever felt uneasy about a partner's online interactions? Or have you ever hidden a message from someone? Reality check. Online secrecy can weaken trust in relationships. Fix it. Set boundaries together. Discuss what is acceptable and what isn't. For example, is it okay to stay in touch with exes? Practice transparency. If you feel the need to hide something, ask yourself why. Healthy relationships thrive on honesty. 5. The addiction problem. Be honest. How many times do you check your phone daily? The average person checks their phone over 150 times a day. Social media is designed to be addictive, with endless scrolling, notifications, and dopamine hits. Reality check. When social media consumes your time, it takes away from real-life relationships. Fix it. Digital detox. Start small, 1 tech-free evening per week. Turn off notifications. Reduce the constant ping that pulls you back in. Schedule social media time. Instead of mindless scrolling, set designated periods to check your feed. Segment 3. Overcoming common social media challenges. Now that we know the issues, let's address some common challenges. But I need social media for work. Solution. Use productivity tools like website blockers to limit personal scrolling while working. What if I miss out on something important? Solution. Set alerts for key contacts, but mute unnecessary updates. I feel disconnected without social media. Solution. Instead of FOMO, fear of missing out, embrace JOMO, joy of missing out. Enjoy the peace of being present. Final thoughts and takeaways. Social media is neither good nor bad. It's all about how we use it. The goal is to make technology work for you, not against you. Ask yourself, am I using social media to enhance my relationships or escape from them? Am I prioritizing online connections over real-life ones? Am I truly present with the people who matter most? Here's a quick summary of today's podcast. Social media connects us, but it can also create emotional distance. Avoid the comparison trap. What you see online isn't the full picture. Set boundaries, both in time spent and interactions. Prioritize real-life moments over digital distractions. A digital detox can improve your well-being and deepen relationships. Challenge for you. For the next 24 hours, be fully present in at least one conversation. Put your phone away, make eye contact, and truly listen. See how it changes the way you connect. If you found this episode valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Join us next time for another dose of wisdom, right here on Life Matters Simplified. Until then, stay mindful, stay present, and keep nurturing real connections.